Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Creative Careers. In today's video, we are going to talk about top Bachelor of Design colleges in India, how to get through it, which are the exams you need to give, which are the colleges you are going to get. Let's begin. Okay, before beginning, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. It will help me grow and it will help you to get more videos. Please like, share and subscribe. So if you haven't watched my previous video on the what is Bachelor of Design and different fields or different disciplines available in this field, please go and watch it. Link is in the description. And let's see which are the colleges and exams we need to give. So top colleges and entrance exam, we are going to talk all about Bachelor of Design colleges in India today. So first topmost college is National Institute of Design, or well known as NIDs. NIDs are very popular for Bachelor of Design. These have produced top designers of the country from this college. So for this you have to give NID DAT exam, and for NID DAT after this you need to clear an interview round. After clearing the exam, then you will get to choose the college. If you have really good rank, then to choose the field as well. So NID Ahmedabad is the topmost college of design college in India, and there are many NIDs below it, but there are very few seats available. And next one is, this is not a college guys, UCEED is the entrance exam which we have to give. Under this exam, many design colleges recruit or take from your score from UCEED to get into their colleges, which is undergraduate common entrance examination of design. And you will get admissions in IIT colleges if your rank is really good. Yeah, IIT Bombay, which is known for industrial design, or Industrial Design Center, which is in IIT Bombay, conducts this exam. And you have IIT Guwahati, which have the different Bachelor of Design field, IIT Jabalpur and IIT Hyderabad. Then there are other colleges as well, like Anand National University, Lovely Professional University, MIT WPU School of Design, Jain University, CEPT University, one of the famous design colleges of the country. Even for CEPT you will get admission from UCEED exam. Then there are colleges like Swarnim Institute of Design, Vellore Institute of Technology, Central Institute of Technology, Delhi Technical University, which is also known as Delhi College of Engineering earlier. Then you have Manipal University. Then there are government colleges like Vishwa Bharati Shanti Niketan, Maharaji Sayaji Rao University of Baroda. Then there are private colleges which conduct their own exams. ARC College of Design and Business, one of the top rated design colleges in India, conducts its own exam called as All India Entrance Examination of Design. And you will be having series of interviews, then you will get into this college. Then there is United World Institute of Design. Exams you have to give is United World Institute Design Aptitude Test. And if you clear this, then you will go through another round, then you will get admission. And this is also one of the top most design colleges in the country, guys. Please go check out the website. Please understand. If you have any doubts, ask me. But check these colleges which I'm telling. Then there's Symbiosis Institute of Design based in Pune. This is the one of the top leading colleges of design and arts in the country. And for this you have to give exams called as SEED, which is Symbiosis Entrance Examination of Design. Then you will be having Indian Institute of Art and Design. For this you have to give IDAT, online and aptitude test, which is online now due to COVID. There are many colleges which are providing online tests because of COVID. So please check the website, and if you get any queries, please ask me in the comment section. I'm there to help you. And please like, share and subscribe my channel. If you haven't yet, please click that subscribe button. Then we have Vogue Institute of Arts and Design. For this you have to apply from the website. Then we have Army Institute of Fashion and Design. Army Institute conducts its own exam known as Army Institute Fashion and Design Online aptitude test, and this is also one of this is found from Army Federation of the country, and services here, the college is here, and infrastructure, everything is very good. Then we have Pearl Academy. Pearl Academy, which has many colleges, one in Delhi, one in Bangalore, has its own entrance exam. You will be having field of fashion design, different fashion business and others in this Pearl Academy college, and Pearl entrance exam is the exam you have to give for this college. So I have tried to cover most of the colleges which I know. But in case if I have missed any, please let me know in the comment section. I'll be happy to know. And after that, there are many other colleges which I have left. I know that, if you want to know anything more, please go and also don't forget to check my previous video. It helps you to give better understanding of what is the Bachelor of Design course. And please like, share, and subscribe to the channel, guys. And I'll be talking about fashion technology, which is NIFT colleges, in next video. So until then, please stay tuned. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And love you a lot, guys. Thank you for all my 51 subscribers. Thank you so much.